Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens. Progress on the land. Oh, there we go. Can you see me? All right, so doing a little progress on the land here. Let me switch it around. The houses came down, and we're doing lots of construction on it, cleaning it up, and all kinds of stuff. It was really bittersweet to see it go, but it needed to be done, and we're gonna rebuild right here on the same location. So, but it's really coming along. Everything's really greening up. So, good stuff. Super excited. What?
Do not throw dirt on people.
What do you think?
It's gone.
Yeah.
Dad,
So did a pretty good job. We're just kind of looking over now, like how much space we're going to need and all of that stuff. But yeah, it's looking good.
it feels like the first really big step is done, even though there was a lot of steps before this one.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be ready to build. You got some dirt in your boot?
Yeah.
Got a snake in your boot?
Yeah. No, back in the no snake.
No snake. Okay.
Yeah. Slide.
Yeah.
Can I slide?
Can you slide? I guess so.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna go. Get back with the snake.
You. Oh. Go. Okay, come on. Oh. Oh, he fell. Oh, missed it. Trying to catch all the cuteness.
Something in my boots.
Stuff in your boots?
Yeah.
Something in my boot.
Oh,
Let's see.
I got swords in my boots.
Yeah. You okay there, cowboy?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hey, let's see how it got for.
Hey, don't eat the dirt chips.
You sit on the ground, Mom.
Yeah, I don't want it either.
Oh. Got the pasty one out there.